Hey, what's up, guys? It's Dave from Concealed Carry VA, and today we're going to talk about alcohol and drugs with firearms. So, it should go without saying, but in Virginia and probably most states, alcohol and drugs and guns don't mix, right? So, according to 18.2308012, that's the code section that outlines this in Virginia, it is illegal to carry while intoxicated, or this is the part that kind of tricks people up, or to consume any alcohol in any bar, restaurant, anywhere with an ABC permit or license. You can't consume any alcohol. So one beer might not get you intoxicated, but if you have a firearm or concealed weapon, you can't consume any alcohol. If you do, not only can you lose your permit, but you can also face criminal charges. So if you have any questions about that law, check it out. It's 18.2308012. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. If you would, let us know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe. Go ahead and click that like button. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next video.